Today, we are going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. The Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig makes the job of installing cabinet doors easier by giving you an extra helping hand to support the door. With the Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, you can install doors precisely and confidently, knowing that they'll fit right and function properly. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig clamps quickly in place and works on cabinets with face frames as well as frameless cabinets. A support arm provides a steady rest for the door, so you can hold it with one hand and have your other hand free for mounting the hinges to the cabinet. This jig does more than just support your doors, though. The support arm adjusts to 9 different positions, so you can hold doors in place precisely where you want them. Plus, the Cabinet Door Mounting Jig comes with 2 shims that hold in place with magnets to allow fine-tuning of the door position. One shim moves the door up by 116 inches, the other by 1/8 inch, or combine both for 316 of adjustability. The Cabinet Door Mounting Jig works on left-hand and right-hand doors. All you have to do is adjust the support arm to align your door, clamp the jig to your cabinet, and then install the door. And you can repeat this over and over again, quickly and easily, so you know every door you install will be aligned and mounted properly. Woodpecker's Paulini Pocket Rules. The Paulini Pocket Rule is back with 2 new sizes to take pocket rules to the next level. They all feature an easier to handle 1/8 inch thick blade and now come in 6 inch, 8 inch, and 12 inch lengths, and each has an end scale for setting up tools, as well as a built-in rule stop, which doubles as a rule stand. The extra thick blade is easy to grasp and doesn't feel flimsy. Each side is laser engraved with 116 of an inch and 132 of an inch scales. One end has a 1 inch vertical scale and 132 of inch increments, which is super handy for setting up saw blades and router bits. The built-in rule stop, along with the pencil notch on its end, makes for an instant T-rule. Simply set the stop to the desired distance from the end, then snug it up to the board's edge sensor, pencil tip, and notch. And away you go for fast parallel lines with the 6 inch, 8 inch, and 12 inch rule. Now slide the rule stop off the rule and lay it flat. Then slide it through the slot in the pocket rule and push down. When the notch in the stop is over the ruler's edge, you now have a rule stand. Now slide the rule up to the router cutter. Let go and have both hands free to make adjustments to the height of your router bit. So, if you're looking for something to put in your apron pocket or tool bench that is truly indispensable, try the new Paulini Pocket Rules from Woodpeckers. Away Tools Original Handy Saw. This quick change only one saw is perfect for cutting metal, wood, or plastic. The blades can be tension mounted in 4 positions without screws or clamps. Designed with an ergonomic pistol grip for less hand fatigue, this versatile, lightweight saw can maneuver and cut in 4 directions, reaching tough, tight spots of the saws cannot. You'll be glad the handy saw is in your toolbox. Skil Router Table. The router table features a smooth laminated MDF work surface, an aluminum miter gauge slot, above the table adjustment, 2 feather boards, and our outer clamp for everything your woodworking project calls for. The integrated router bit storage system saves you time and provides a central location for easy-to-lose bits. The rigid aluminum router mounting plate is compatible with many major router brands, while the tall fence handles taller stock when paired with the adjustable MDF face-up plates. Look no further, as this all-inclusive Skil Router Table will become your benchtop staple for all routing applications. Comatic PD80 Edge Bin Trimmer. The Comatic PD80 Edge Bin Trimmer is designed for safe, straightforward operation. Beyond simple edge band trimming, this tool is also ideal for hollow door or column edge trimming. and makes for a solid addition to any professional or hobbyist collection of tools. Vaco Aluminum Alloy Hinge Jig. The drill guide is adjustable to tension wooden boards of different thicknesses. It is a great toolkit for furniture factories, professionals, and woodworking enthusiasts. The electric drill shall tighten the handle of the hole opener, press down the hole to 12 mm to 13 mm depth at a uniform speed, and then drill 2 mm screw holes on the left and right sides. This tool making the door easy to install, simple to use with any drill, no special tools needed. Adjustable cams ensure proper hinge offset. Eco Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver. Drive pocket hole screws and any screws in tight places with the Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver. This tough and compact drill attachment allows your drill to reach where it might not have been able to before. The 90-degree pocket hole driver chucks into any drill. Just insert the hex shank, tighten the drill chuck, and that's it. The 90-degree pocket hole driver is impact rated, too, so you can even use it with an impact driver. With the driver's ergonomic design, it's easy to keep a grip on it and hold it in place with one hand while you control the drill or driver with the other. Insert the included 3-inch square drive bit. It locks in and won't slip out, so you can drive screws with confidence. And the driver bit has a magnetic tip, so the screw stays put as you insert it into the pocket hole, too. The 90-degree pocket hole driver is perfect for pocket hole joints and tight spaces, but it's great for other uses, too, since it will accept any hex shank driver bit. Like everything Kreg builds, the 90-degree pocket hole driver is designed to be tough enough for professionals, but easy to use for anyone. Away Contour Scrapers. With a CS6 contour scraper set with a comfortable, soft grip, it's specifically designed to add the benefit of a special angle in the handle for ease of use and greater control. Inside that handle, you'll find the greatest feature. This toolkit offers a file needed for making custom modifications to the 6 included blades to fit virtually any shape or crevice. 6 hardened and ground stainless steel blades are included, along with a handy storage case. The CSB1 blade is designed for concave, indents, and narrow reveals. You'll use the CSB2 for small, flat, and concave molding. When you're working with medium and large rods, dowels, and convex moldings and balusters, choose the CSB3. The CSB4 plate is ideal for your flat work and larger concave moldings, crown moldings and chair rails, sharply ended moldings and concave moldings. Pilasters and mantles require the CSV5, and you'll find that the CSV6 blade is perfect for use on round moldings, wood curtain rods, and door and window casings. Again, all 6 blades you are able to custom modify. The DJ3 Universal Drilling Gear from Bridge City Toolworks. What catches your eye at the first sight of DJ3? Is it the colorful 6061 aircraft grade aluminum all the way? Or is it the bright and vibrant anodized finish? It's a beautiful tool to add to your workshop, and it's rough and wear resistance as well. The bushing has a tolerance of 10 microns, which means every hole drilled using this jig will be incredibly accurate. In order to drill holes accurately and safely, having your workplace in the vise or clamped to a certain bench is strongly recommended. Upon first use, you may need to back out the 2 set screws that hold the beam in place, position the flip stops on the beam where needed, and tighten the set screw with a 2 mm hex wrench. Do not over-tighten the screws. Doing so would distort the region and lead to inaccurate results. The 2 mm wrench is conveniently stored in the body of the DJ3 and is held in place with a magnet, loosening the arm locking. Pull out the left and right out triggers to both sides. The DJ3 Drilling J automatically aligns the bushings with the center line of the workpiece. Choose a bushing and corresponding drill bit. 13 metric bushings and 8 imperial bushings are provided. Loosen the screws on the ends of the body and remove the bushings. Locking screw. Insert the bushing into the drilling jig body to ensure that the notches in the bushing and the body are aligned. Tighten down the bushing locking screws to ensure that the bushings are flush with the drilling jig body surface. Finally, tighten the screws on the end of the body and close out triggers jaw. Tighten the arm locking knobs. Now you can safely and accurately drill your holes. The DJ3 will also allow for off-center drilling up to 60 mm from the center. There is laser etched graduation on the back of the adjustable jaw. Set either scale to the width of the desired off-center holes and tighten the locking knobs. Repeat the operation of centering to get the most accurate off-center hole. Besides the vibrant orange appearance, the jaws also function well with its many V-grooves. it can hold many different shapes of work pieces. This is a key feature that DJ3 can accomplish. While a drill press would not be able to do alone, regardless of which V-groove on the VJI is used, it can be held firmly. Also, the flip stop can always be reached by the workplace. The DJ3 can handle the axial drilling on a round workpiece, no matter how long the workpiece is. If you're worried about the stability of the DJ3, you can always clamp it for square workpieces. Bias and axial drilling are also easily done with DJ3. Spheres from 8mm up to 60mm in diameter are also easily drilled with the DJ3. These functions, which would have been nearly impossible on a drill press, are now easily achievable by the design of the V-jaws. Using the green 45-degree miter jaws, you can reinforce any miter joint with dowels. When used in conjunction with the adjustable jaws, you'll be able to precisely and securely position the hole as close to the inner face as possible. This will give you the ability to drill as deep of a hole as possible on the inside face while not drilling all the way through the stock. When using the DJ3 with the long accessory jaws, drilling holes at any angle up to 45 degrees becomes extremely easy. The thoughtful addition of the indexing pins makes it easier to adjust and align both jaws to be planar. Now it's time for you to try the DJ3 Drilling U. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.